I'm curious, Simon, was there like one thing that really triggered you and said, I've got to do this. I've got to start my own company. I've got to help more people. Was there one thing, one time that really triggered you?
Yeah, look, it really was. It was a bit of an eye opener for me, and it was I did a keynote on this late last year in a big conference, and it was that 3 a.m. phone call. So that was really the trigger. First of all, for me, going on that reliability journey and starting the business on my own, and it was when you're working as an engineering manager, no matter what industry you're in, you're used to those calls in the middle of the night. You're used to being on, helping the team all the time. But this 3 a.m. phone call one day, it actually came very unusually. It came with a kick in the back from my wife, who said, "No, come on, enough's enough." And there'd been calls night after night for some time, and that's when I said, "Okay, how can I take what I know now, what I've implemented and improved in the businesses I've been in, and actually take a step back, and instead of being stuck in the day-to-day with everybody, how can I go and help other people?" And the other side to that was what I realized when I looked back and reflected was, as working as an employee, the roles I'd had previously, I was really going through the same process in each of those positions. So, I'd take on a new role as a maintenance manager, engineering manager, and the first six to 12 months was the same in every business I was going to. And it was really around resetting those foundations for future growth and sustainable reliability. So what I realized was, hang on, if I'm going through the same process here and it's taking me 12 to 18 months every time, what can I do to really, wrap this up as a formal process or as a training system where I can give it to people and help accelerate that journey? So that was the driver was, I could help. I realized as an employee, I could help different businesses, but it was going to be a long, slow process. But by going out on my own, what I could really do was set this up as a program and a product and say, okay, this is how we can accelerate these early stages of the reliability journey.